Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about Cash App donation feature. Start by opening the Cash App and logging into your account. On the home screen, tap the search bar at the top and type the hashtag, phone number or email of the person or organization you want to donate to. Next, enter the amount you want to donate. Before you hit pay, make sure to add a note or message if you want to specify that this is a donation. This helps the recipient know the purpose of the payment. If you want to support a verified non-profit organization, you can also look for their verified hashtag or profile. Cash App sometimes highlights popular non-profits on their platform during donation and drives or special events. Once you have entered the amount and confirmed the recipient, tap Pay to complete the donation. The money will be transferred instantly, and both you and the recipient will get a notification. Remember, donations sent through Cash App are usually instant and cannot be reversed, so double check the recipient details before confirming. If you are receiving donations, make sure your account is set up correctly and linked with your linked bank account to easily withdraw refunds. Also, verify your account to increase limits and ensure smooth transactions. So this was it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel and ring the bell before going. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.